Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the simplest way to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You do not need a USB drive or any extra software. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft website. Search for Windows 11 Download. On the download page, scroll down until you see the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. In the drop-down menu, choose Windows 11 and then click Download. Select your language, confirm, and then click the 64-bit download button. The file is about 6 gigabytes, so it may take some time to finish downloading. When the download is done, go to your Downloads folder and find the ISO file. In Windows 10, you do not need any special tools to open it. Just right-click the file and choose Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive with the setup files inside. Open the new virtual drive and double-click on Setup. The Windows 11 setup program will start. You will see a window that says Install Windows 11. Click Next. If it asks to check for updates, you can allow it or skip it. After that, you will see options for keeping your files and apps. If you want to upgrade without losing anything, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This will update Windows while keeping your programs and documents. If you prefer a fresh start, you can choose not to keep anything, but most people will want to keep files and apps. Click Install and the upgrade will begin. Your computer will restart several times. The process may take a while depending on the speed of your system. That is the simplest way to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 using the ISO file. Thanks for watching.